In this video, I'm going to teach you real quick how to reset the oil life or oil control system on the 2022 Nissan Altima. Pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. You're going to use this directional pad right here. When you look at the directional pad, you're going to press the right arrow and it's going to navigate to the one that looks like a little gear. Once you get to the one that looks like a gear, you're going to press the down arrow until you get to maintenance, then oil control system. I'm going to press OK on that. It's going to ask me if I want to reset it. Press OK to reset, and then arrow down to yes to confirm the reset. And then you'll notice that it resets it to right where it was. If it was saying that it was due, it would reset it at that point. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.